Craving a snack between meals but worried about blood sugar spikes? You're not alone. Many diabetics struggle with managing snacking. But fear not, delicious and diabetic-friendly options exist. Today, we're diving into 6 healthy snack superstars that will keep you energized and your blood sugar happy. Before we jump into the snacks, let's talk about why diabetics need to be mindful of snacking. It all boils down to blood sugar control. When you eat sugary snacks, your blood sugar spikes quickly, and that's not ideal. That's where the glycemic index, GI, comes in. It basically tells you how quickly a food raises your blood sugar. So, for snacks, we want to choose options with a low GI to keep things nice and steady. Alright, let's get snacking. 1. Nuts and seeds. First up, we have a classic, nuts and seeds. These powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which help keep you feeling full and your blood sugar stable. Plus, they have a low GI, making them a perfect diabetic-friendly choice. Almonds, sugar, 1 gram per ounce, walnuts, sugar, 2 grams per ounce, and chia seeds, sugar, 1 gram per ounce, are all excellent options. Remember, portion control is key. A small handful is enough to satisfy your cravings without going overboard. 2. Yogurt with berries. Looking for something creamy and delicious? Yogurt with berries is your answer. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, calcium, and gut-friendly probiotics. Sugar, 0 grams per serving for plain yogurt. Top it off with a handful of berries like blueberries, sugar, 5 grams per cup, or raspberries, sugar, 4 grams per cup. These little gems are low in GI and bursting with antioxidants. Pro tip: sprinkle some cinnamon on top for extra flavor and a touch of sweetness. 3. Veggie sticks with hummus. Craving something crunchy? Veggie sticks with hummus are the perfect combo. Vegetables are low in calories and packed with fiber and essential vitamins. Sugar content varies depending on the vegetable, typically less than 5 grams per serving. Celery, carrots, sugar, 6 grams per cup, and cucumber sticks are all fantastic choices. Now, let's talk about hummus. This delicious dip is a great source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Sugar, 1 to 2 grams per serving. Look for low-fat or pre-portioned hummus options to keep things healthy. 4. Hard-boiled eggs. Talk about a protein powerhouse. Hard-boiled eggs are a fantastic snack that keeps you feeling full and helps regulate blood sugar. Sugar, 1 gram per egg. Plus, they're super convenient. Prep a batch at the beginning of the week and have them ready to grab when hunger strikes. 5. Apple slices with nut butter. Apples are a classic snack for a reason. They're packed with fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied. Sugar, 19 grams per medium apple. Pair them with a dollop of nut butter, almond butter, sugar, 1 gram per tablespoon, peanut butter, sugar, 8 grams per tablespoon, or cashew butter, sugar, 2 grams per tablespoon, for a delicious dose of healthy fats and protein that will keep you energized. Remember, portion control applies to nut butter too. 6. Edamame. If you're looking for a plant-based protein option, look no further than edamame. These little green soybeans are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Sugar, 2 grams per cup. You can steam them, roast them, or even enjoy them frozen. General tips for diabetic snacking. Here are some bonus tips to keep your diabetic snacking on point. Plan your snacks in advance to avoid unhealthy choices when hunger hits. Pay attention to portion sizes. Read food labels carefully and choose options with a low GI. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep you feeling full and your body functioning optimally. Remember, it's always a good idea to discuss your diabetic meal plan with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized recommendations. Alright, everyone, those are your 6 delicious and diabetic-friendly snack superstars. I hope this video helped you find some healthy options to keep your energy levels up and your blood sugar happy. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and found these snacks helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below and let me know your favorite diabetic-friendly snack. I love hearing from you all.